Welcome to Clarke Tech Tips. In this video, we will be exploring the internal components of your Clarke instrument panel. We will also review the process for simulating and resetting alarms in accordance with NFPA 20, UL, and FM. Let's take a look at the interconnect terminal block. It serves as a junction for communication wires between the engine instrument panel and the pump controller. As we walk through each component, we will discuss its associated terminal. The low oil pressure alarm verification is a momentary position switch allowing you to simulate the oil pressure alarm. It's located on the switch plate inside of the Clarke panel. With the engine running, lift the switch to the up position. The oil pressure signal will be defaulted to less than 20 psi and can be seen on the engine digital display. Continue holding the low oil pressure verify switch for 20 seconds until the alarm is indicated at the pump controller at terminal 4. Reset most pump controllers by turning the selector switch to the off position. You will need to repeat the process of resetting the main pump controller after every alarm verification. ECM failures are not common, but occur when the engine instrument panel loses communication with the ECM. To simulate ECM failure alarms, hold the manual stop switch in the up position for 2 minutes. A signal will be sent via terminal 303 for the single ECM, or terminal 304 for the dual ECM, to confirm the alarm procedure works. Once the ECM failure alarms have been simulated, you must reset the ECM with the ECM failure reset switch. To do this, hold the ECM failure reset switch down for 3 seconds. Reset most pump controllers by turning the selector switch to the off position. Let's talk about the engine overspeed. Engine overspeed occurs when the engine accelerates beyond its designed operating speed. During the overspeed alarm verification procedure, the engine will shut down 30 RPM below the rated speed to protect the engine and pump from damage. This switch is for overspeed verification and overspeed reset. This switch allows you to simulate the overspeed trip point. While the engine is running, hold down the switch to simulate an overspeed condition. This will send a signal from the engine through interconnect terminal 3 to the pump controller activating an overspeed alarm. After verification of overspeed, lift the overspeed reset switch in the up position for 30 seconds and reset the main pump controller to reinstate normal operation of the engine. Next, let's review the engine temperature alarms. The high engine temperature alarm verification switch, also referred to as high engine coolant temperature, allows you to simulate the high engine temperature alarm. With the engine running